Close your eyes, sit straight, take deep breaths, and just relax. As we are doing live, it's a great timing for crown chakra 12-12. Feel the connection with Mother Earth. Feel roots grounding at your feet, roots grounding at the speed of light. Going downwards, all issues that you suffer all melt in the warmth of Mother Earth. Feel any fear, diseases, medical conditions, everything just evaporating in lap of Mother Earth. Feel fully in. Become aware that you are pure consciousness. And feel the energy, warmth of Mother Earth coming to your tailbone as a red light. Just a dot of red light. This is a pure consciousness. This is the awareness of your physical body. Feel deeply rooted with Mother Earth. Feel deeply rooted with Mother Earth. Now this energy moves upward with Mother Earth and you feel the fluidity, emotional balances into your sacral chakra. You feel it deeply. You are tuning in with the sweetness of life, joy and happiness, and you are deeply appreciating the sensuality and sexuality now. Feel the orange glow emanating and feeling all organs in area It is that reproductive organs deeply being healed and rejuvenated by the glow. And now you are bursting with joy. Yes, you are bursting with joy. Now move higher the fire of solar plexus helps you digestive life with ease. Anything you ingest, anything you ingest as food easily and wonderfully nourishes you without causing any harm. To feel in touch with your power and understand the true power is neither making feeling other, feeling weak, and having cloud power is mere necessity to activities happen with ease. You embrace to the complete essence required, and now you move into the green glow, into the heart chakra, and everything balance here into your life. And move higher into throat, the blue glow expression of your spirit. And now this glow gently moves third eye where you see the truth and see the truth of life in the God's eyes. Breathe deeply. Breathe deeply inside as new wisdom from the crown is about to come to you. Breathe deeply inside. Now ask your higher self to heal you. Bring your attention to any pain that you feel are old and wisdom which is no longer useful. Release it from the crown. And as you are doing this, in this powerful moment, the timing is, universal timing is 12:21. If you don't like what you see in the aspect of your life, are there any beliefs which don't help for too long about abundance, about money, about spirituality. Are you willing to let go of these beliefs now? Allow your crown chakra to shine. Healing energy now on your third eye chakra. For any reason, have your belief inappropriate. Let go of this belief now. For any reason, if you think you can't make connection with me to the higher self, allow your higher self, your masters, God, goddess, guardian angels, archangels, ancestors to share new clarity now that how this can happen with beliefs. It's time to let go of. Have you been in using power? Or do you feel powerless for any reason? Have you been in using power or do you feel powerless for any reason? Have you been acting wounded instead of deeply serving people? Ask your higher self, masters, ask your guardian angels, archangels, ancestors, God and goddess, what need to be done? Is this this have been a reason why you blocked sweetness or pleasure of life? Allow pleasure to come to your life. There have been any fear which is blocking your manifestation in your life? Ask your higher self, consciousness, God, Goddess, guardian angels, archangels, ancestors, ascended masters, to gently release it to Mother Earth. Any excess energy will naturally go into the lap of Mother Earth without you need to do anything. Roots heal you and allow send the power into crown chakra. Energy is pouring into you from the Mother Earth and the sky. All that does not serve you, it is you. And now your crown chakra is full of charging. Now the violet color of crown turning inward. And it's a huge flood of energy. It's a huge flood of light. Deeply heal all the chakra and each cell of your body. And now think you wish to manifest in your life. Have you seen it like this before? Is there any element that welcomes into your thoughts? What you want to manifest? Bring the scenery in front of you. or movie if you wish to. Now the third eye is unveiling to possibilities that you never know exist, that you never knew it exists. It's dropped downward to you. Whom do you need to speak about this to? What do you need to communicate? The words are highly magically flowing from higher self into your throat. Which connection you need, people you desire to work with, bring it to your consciousness. How would they feel in healing journey of you? As manifestation act, feel the deep connect of green glow, and many people join and inspire from you. You inspire others to do the same and more. Now let your desire, the glow of heart, the green glow of heart, which is your desire, drops to solar plexus, and the idea, a deep connection now going to transform into action. The activities are happening naturally. You know exactly what steps need to be taken to manifest what you desire. You are in power, you are in charge, and you allow others to take charge for the most best possibilities. decided your steps, when your steps are decided, the actionable steps are decided, you are moving towards the manifestation into your solar plexus chakra. Activities are going to happen with ease. Manifestation happens whether it's emotions, don't start acting on it. Allow the fluidity, the flexibility of the sacral chakra. It's showing you a way. This fluidity, this water flowing, water showing you the way. Be flexible, flow like water, anywhere, anyway. Any kind of difficulties, the path you desired, the manifestation you desire for, this path lead you. And the pleasure of this happening easily taking you towards your journey, your manifestation. With the least resistance, with ease, the pleasure of this happening easily and pleasurable for you. And finally, anchor and finally and deeply, finally anchoring into the Mother Earth and ready to walk on the path easily into your life. Now this manifestation becomes your reality. Now say, honor the divine within you. I am guided by higher power. I am guided by higher power. As your feet touch the ground, your manifestation becomes reality. I honor the divine within me. I am open to new ideas. I am guided by the higher powers. I am the worthy of love from the divine. I am open to let it go and to receive the abundance. I am a spiritual being. I live on a present moment to experience the human being. I am pure, beautiful, and radiant light. I am divinely protected and inspired, guided by the universe, and worthy of unconditional love from the universe. I am aligned with my soul purpose. I am always divinely guided and protected. And now the inevitable journey of the energetic reality, a physical reality, starting with my consciousness, starting into my consciousness, feel into your bones. As my count of 5, we are going to count to 5, you are going to fully aware about this journey and gently open your eyes. Fully awake, remingling with the energy, fully rooted and anchored, yet absolutely connected with your higher self. One, two, three, 4, 5, fully awake. Fully awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fully awake.